right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I see the late night show. And of course, I will still get Radical77 with us in the building. Ah! And they feel like I bleach. Don't be joke. But seriously. Thank you. No, don't be joke. Before they always jab me because of this one here.
I love that skin now. Of course. Even if you watch my video, you see now black girls, black people are they promote. No, it's all about black African.
Nice short pass.
I'm a proud African.
You don't fit enter the video.
For me, I don't enter the video.
You're not black.
I'm not black.
You don't bleach.
No, I'm not black.
No, for when you don't bleach, so you know.
Not be like shower. Not be like. But anyway, I will still make the team. Not they try me anymore. But why Radical77? You know Radical. Yeah, Chris for head. I be waiting. Why
Okay, yeah. Radical77. That Radical is my nickname given by my mother because of the way. Yeah, sorry about my English. Because of the way we are the texty things. Okay, for an instance, if you say, that now like this it be. Me, I will go beyond that. I go check them properly. I go argue. I go question. That's why my mama gave me that Radical77. Okay. And when I was young, people used to bully me with that name. Okay. But with time, I can't understand myself say I be real radical because the things where some other people don't support. Me, I go look into it. Okay, for instance, Uncle Fella.
Yes.
Is my uncle. But I support every little thing that this man did because me, I they say things differently. That's one of the, I tell you the reason I be radical. And the 77 has got to do with something that happened to me for time ago, for July 7th. Maybe some other time where I come on the show, I go tell you that one. That one now, some little
also not be a heartbreak.
No, good thing now.
It's mysterious.
Yeah, exactly.
So 77, we all keep up for the mystery. Next time we all come, that time it don't blow every year. You're the year
by God's grace.
Every year.
By God's grace.
Come back, different entourage and different thing, you understand? But radical. So your mama look you, hey!
This boy now radical.
This boy.
They too radical.
Radical niye. Igbo, radical B. But when you speak Yoruba, hail your people the way they watch like this. So.
Ẹ̀yin yomi kilo nṣẹlẹ̀ èmi amoyin àbúrò yín Radical77 èmi mo an by ti Ogbolor to entertain me by pẹ̀lú àwọn tó kù. So I dey hope say you they enjoy this. And I made they sing Black Gold and Ajay wa mi wale o to ba mi gbélé o tẹ̀lé mi jáde àyè tí mo wá èrè ló mú wá kò ṣe ká o. Yeah, and thank you for having me.
Yes, sir. You know, you see, but when you don't walk in by, you know.
Why no talk now?
I didn't learn Yoruba. I want to learn now. I'm not too
but
sure.
But they speak Yoruba now.
You only cause I be. Yeah, that's
how everyone learns Yoruba.
But anyway, Radical77, thank you very much. Your Twitter handle now, your social media handle.
Okay, my social media handle, my Twitter and Instagram. Now, I am Radical77. Okay. The I am as I-A-M, then Radical77, R-A-D-I-C-A-L-77, all in one word.
Okay.
I am Radical77. Everybody go find me there. I interact with my fans in every part of the world. And at the moment I did on my media tour, that's one of the reasons I did for Naija. Okay. And from Naija, I go Ghana, Gambia, to East Africa, then to Malawi.
Wow.
Then I go come back Naija, come chill with my people before going back to the UK.
Waka plenty be that.
Waka I need to do and I work now.
Nice one. Radical77, and they wish you the best.
Thanks so much.
I like the fact, say, man, you know your goal loss for that side.
No, I'm not going to say,
man, you must do house.
I know my route now.
Correct.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, now see the late night show. Radical77 don't show. I say, man, forget, you know, we just don't have the whole pay like this. You know, you're okay. And if they rap Yoruba pass me, he don't travel, go come. But see, they do the Yoruba thing. I'm ashamed for myself. Izy Beat. How many years are for Lagos now?
29 years.
29 years, now you're in Lagos. But I speak Yoruba more come up for this
thing. Make it seem Black Gold now.
So say me liar, my number one. But they jam me liar, Black Gold, girl. So say me liar, my number one. The blue big orange, you just Black Gold, you are my Black Gold, girl. Black Gold, you are my Black Gold.
Somehow, for my mind, I just look say, man, Izy Beat. We need to go learn language, yo.
No, for real. I really wish I feel learn how to speak Yoruba well and Igbo. I love those two. Those two language.
Those two, you know, say Igbo I not fit speak too well, but I understand.
Okay.
Akwa Ibom, we be my papa, original site.
Yeah.
I not fit to speak.
Night father.
I was hear Abadie.
Night father.
Why they give me guilty conscience now? Why they worry you like this?
Say the Abadie. I did Abadie.
Abadie now this okay. Yeah, answer this. Abadie.
I did find out.
No. Speak the language. Not I define.
Yes, you can. Shebi say the Igbo. Okay. Kankuli. Bagang.
Wait, different. Me na Delta Igbo.
That's it. You don't change.
No. Delta Igbo go speak our own different. So they worry you. Our own different. If you're not going to speak like Imo States, they give Delta. We already look say, well, our own they subtle, you know. Subtle, you know. Kakimi.
Is that our own different?
Kakimi.
Where you did?
Or them. Or the form of different. Our own they, but you won't speak the real Igbo. IGBO. You tick. East. Now East. Now you pick it. Warehouse. Oh, but anyway, we don't to waste time on top of the whole P. Hope you don't enjoy the whole show like this with Radical77 and of course Shady XL. All right. Izy Beat. And here we'll say good night to everybody. All right. Somehow today now for show yourself things. I believe that tomorrow self will be a show yourself things, but you never can tell. All right. So jam us on top Twitter. Ask W Late Night Show. Reach there. Give us your own juice on top the whole level, and then we'll go follow after relate. Okay. So from myself and Izy Beat.
Yeah.
Now we say good night to all of you.
Good night.
Okay. Have better sleep, and of course, don't dream bad dream. If you dream bad dream, think of a night show, late night show, and then we'll do all right. Izy Beat. If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.